Good afternoon. We just arrived in the JBR area of Dubai where the life of luxury and wealth is clearly shown. As you can see, Lamborghinis are parked over here. And everywhere you see, they're just luxury cars, rich people. That's not for us, but just come and check it out for the people and for you guys to show how it looks like here in Dubai. So over here you can see the Lamborghini SUV. And right over here, the Lamborghinis are parked here. And this is McLaren. And this is the famous JBR walk. We're gonna go and check out the beach as well. So over here you can see all these apartment buildings that are $1 million apartments. And right around here you can see the world's biggest Ferris wheel. And everywhere you go you just see Lamborghini, Porsches, Ferraris. And you can rent them too, luxury car rental. Now we are heading towards the beach and to the Ferris wheel over there. Try to go find out how much is the Ferris wheel ride is, and if it's not that expensive, we'll go and check it out. I heard it takes about an hour to complete the whole wheel. This is where the kids play area is. So the sun is about to set here in Dubai, UAE. And it's about 6:45. And this is the world's famous JBR walk. Now right next to the JBR walk, you have a beach over here. Where the water is clean, and you can also have a camel ride as well. Now right next to the JBR walk, you have a beach over here. Where the water is clean, and you can also have a camel ride as well. You see all these sunbeds over here. You can rent it for 125 dirham per day, and if you rent two, it's like 250 or some discount as well. I guess in this hot Arabian sun, if you want to come here and enjoy the sun and beach and everything, I think it's worth it. So the water is pretty warm over here, so it's a great time even in the evening or at night. You can go and take a dip here at this beautiful beach. This place is hopping right now. Alright guys, as you can see that I'm walking on this famous JBR walk here in Dubai. Trying to go to that Ferris wheel area, which is right over there. And the sun is about to set. If you come here, the beach is very nice and it's clean. The water is warm. It's warm all year round. The weather here in Dubai, especially right now, it's really hot, but the water is warm. You can go and take a dip in the water. In the wintertime, even in the wintertime, the average temperature is about 80 degrees. So anyone who is visiting Dubai, they can always come here at the JBR beach. And, they'll love it. Okay, keep you guys posted. Yeah, A lot of restaurants over here, famous restaurants, the Italy, which is pretty famous all over the United States. This La Galleria, I've never heard of it, but seems like an upscale restaurant. This area is called the Pavilion at the beach. Now we are heading towards that Ferris wheel area. It's almost about a mile. It looks pretty close, but we have to go through this area all the way up to that bridge and then go over there. It's a newly developed area. I have to check it out. Alright guys, this is another view of the famous JBR. You can see the beautiful buildings over here. This canal will take you to the right over here to the Dubai Marina, and they're building everything new day, or everything. They're building a new everything new every day.